Coin Hoodie Guy coming back with another Kaspa video. We're back up over 15 cents. Obviously, unless you've been under a rock, you can see that Bitcoin's over 72,000. Market's chugging along. Before we get into it, could you please Mike Tyson the like and subscribe button? So you can see we're at 2.7 trillion there. And so, yeah, on Twitter here, on X, a little while ago here, Michael Sutton. And I know that some people give me grief if I read something, but I'm just going to read this tweet out. I see a few slightly concerned voices about the Kaspa Rust rewrite and the fact that it's not done yet. Well, let me announce it loud and clear. The Rust rewrite, as per the original proposal, is completed long ago. I would say the node is functioning extremely well, including on Mainnet. We're also gradually increasing the hash rate, which is mining via Rust nodes, by approaching miners and pools privately. The reason for this slow and careful graduality is that we want to make sure and Go and Rust are 100% compatible in their consensus implementation. And this requires, besides all the precautions and tests we already made, standing for the test of time. Additionally, testnet 11 is running stably for over a month with 10 blocks per second and thousands of transactions per second, making another milestone in the original proposal. The Rust codebase will continue to evolve and PRs will continue piling, but they will contain new features never implemented in Go, and a whole new wallet ecosystem and a full transition and a recommendation to all nodes and miners to switch to Rust will come in a few more weeks of stability. Yours truly. So it could be a few weeks when they really recommend all nodes and miners switch over to Rust. So that's exciting. The testnet 11, 10 blocks per second has been going for a month stable. So you just got to zoom out, look at the big picture. 1.6 million generated the last 24 hours from miners. Obviously, Doge shot up a little bit, so it's at 2.5 million. Hash rate looking good there. You zoom out, and that's all you need to see is that the hash rate keeps getting stronger. And I know that maybe DaVinci Germany's made some more videos. I saw some other people talking about it, but at the end of the day, when you have an increasing hash rate, security is increasing, and Kaspa is still a little baby walking, but it's got a lot of good things going on for it. And this is big news. I guess it was about 15 minutes ago when Michael Sutton did that. So just wanted to talk about that. You can go on Reddit. Some people are talking about price action. This guy thinks that 14.2 cents is the bottom. Lots of miner talk on Reddit. Are there any legit arguments against Kaspa? Let me know if you think there are. And I think you just got to be patient. You see meme coins and dog with hat pumping, and but Kaspa's already pumped a lot from bear market until now. And for me, I'm just being patient and letting the tech fall into place, letting the narrative fall into place, and letting a tier one exchange come, which I think there's a chance it could happen this year, but I don't know. Not financial advice, but thanks for watching. Let me know about what you think about Michael Sutton's tweet, and stay bullish, my friends.